Hey there, Susan Vincentz here, and in this tech tip, we're going to talk about hyperlinking your text in a Google Doc. So inevitably, you're writing up a document, a description of something, a narrative, what have you, and you put this big long URL web address, www.somuchgibberish.com, that lasts forever and takes up so much space. So why not take your text and hyperlink it so that way it just looks much nicer and more presentable in your document. So here I am in a Google Doc, and we have some information on here. And in this last sentence I wrote, you can find more great information on my website at Tech Imaginations. So we're going to take Tech Imaginations, and instead of writing the whole URL to get to the person to the website, we're going to highlight those words, and then I'm going to go up here to the menu just beyond the font editing tools and find what looks like a chain right here. And this is an insert link. I'll call it the chain link button. I'm going to click right here, and then I can start searching. Many times it will automatically guess what you're looking for by the words that you have highlighted, and it will find the website right there. So I can simply just click that, hit apply, and it will make it a hyperlink. Now, if for some reason I messed up, I can edit it from right here. So if I click edit, I can find it again. Or if I click on the hyperlink, I can copy it if I need to put it somewhere else, or I can remove the link completely. Now, here's another way if you're not sure if you have the right web address. First of all, go find the website itself. So here is the Tech Imagination site, and here is the URL. So I'm going to highlight it, and I'm just going to copy it by right-clicking and clicking copy, or Control or Command C on your keyboard. Go back to my document, highlight my text again. I'm going to click on that same chain link button, and in this case, I'm going to paste the link I just copied by right-clicking and hitting paste, or pressing Control or Command V on my keyboard and then hit apply. Then, if I click on that and click on that link, it will open the Tech Imagination site. So this will do this for any word and whatever URL that you want to put with it. So that is called hyperlinking text in a Google Doc. This works the same way in Docs, Sheets, and all the other Google Workspace for Education apps. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you very much.